So uno literally I show the world on arts there. Persons who represent themselves as Jamaican on social media doesn't represent all Jamaicans. We have to do better than that as Jamaicans. We're too cruel.
No weapon that is formed against me will never prosper.
You know, I spend some time on social media. I mean, and I have observed something that, you know, it is so shameful and embarrassing. I can't find enough words in my vocabulary to really describe it. But let me just get to the point quickly. I think that on the social media space right now, Jamaicans, if not the worst, is among the worst set of people you can find on social media. And what I mean by that? People who come on social media and is like, it seems as if that the whole intent is to show how nasty them can be. Is to show how obnoxious them can be. Is to show how disrespectful them can be. You know what I'm saying? And even so to show how illiterate them can be. It's like them intend to tap every negative chart when it comes to interaction on social media. If there is anything negative, you have some Jamaicans where them ride it. You know what I mean? It's like them wake up a morning time and then just jump on to say if there is something bad or something negative or something disgraceful, where they can either try tear down somebody, or they can try malign somebody, or they can try scandal somebody, or they can try dirty up somebody's name. And for what reason, it's like me can't imagine. You know what I mean? It's like say even as a simple thing like the news media put out a thing about something good go on. You know what I mean? Somebody give somebody some money and whatever. You have like a bunch of people. So this a news? Let me say so. What do you mean if so this a news? So news for them, so them come on, nothing see good news. Them come on for see say 4 people dead at Jamaica and them belly cut out, so they can get for just let out them venom. Right, and all of them muck out of their heart for start cuss Jamaica, and for say Jamaica are the worst, and say the police are the worst, and say the government are the worst, and say the teacher they are the worst, the road are the worst. It's like everything is like, yo, like where you get them energy they from? You know what I mean? For just a spew out negativity. Right? Missing people like literally a like a dip up and I tell them about their mama. People you don't know, you know? Like total stranger, you know. All because the person say, then I believe say politicians supposed to get so much increase. So because this person was, it seemed to be a labor right? Because the person make the comment, they must say the person a PNP, and them start dog up a person, dirty PNP. That's why this will happen to you. And I say, yo, and what kind of human being this? You know what I'm saying? I say, but them 2 people are a stranger. You know what I mean? Suppose this person or this girl at this so, right? It so happened that she carry her youth or her mother or she have to go to hospital. Not and not recognize the person who dead now, who have to deal with them and help them are the same somebody with them at this. Them not recognize the person, but the person just might recognize them. People in this, no. It's sad. It's like Jamaicans thrive on negativity, Rasta. Them thrive. That's why the news media are forced, almost seem like they are forced to just throw out something to them. Right? Give them some half news. You know what I mean? Give them part-time news. Give them the part if you just rile them up. Because them know say there's a lot of illiterates in the Jamaican community who have so much time to spend on social media to show the world. So them is the back of the class bunch. You know what I mean? A girl right there, she show a video, so she have an issue with money. right? I'm a thing with the new money, and me say the media post out something, say the BOG I try find a woman. Trust me. The amount of things that them talk about the girl like them know the girl. This up the girl, this. I mean, I say, yo, for what? Like, for what? Like, why? Like, why do you do that? Because I know that some of the people who stay so, them a watch a video and then probably at diss me ear or something. You know what I mean? Like, why do you do that? The good book say, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speak. So uno literally I show the world on the heart stay. And then uno come round and in a close, pretty close, so uno bless on this. Bless what? Dirty heart people no bless. You understand? Dirty heart people now go strive and no for no heart dirty. So we just want to just throw this out there. Right? Feel free to put a comment either way. And you can cuss me out if you want to. Right? But the only thing I can say is that no weapon formed against me shall prosper. And every tongue that rise against me in judgment shall be condemned. You know what I'm saying? But me just say a thing, say boy, no, we have to do better than that as Jamaicans. We're too cruel. Right? Marky, let me close by saying that persons who represent themselves as Jamaican on social media doesn't represent all Jamaicans. You know what I mean? Or even all Jamaicans active on social media. But you will agree with me that it seems like most of those who are active are the dirty set. You know what I'm saying? Where them are just mucky like a gutter. Right? I'm a thing with the councillor them now cleaning up on his town and down a mobile. You know what I mean? Worry, man.